Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of the languages which are currently applied or we are usually using. So let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and tap on it, and let me choose maybe this one. Choose the region if you can. I can see that I cannot. All right. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages to change them. So let me tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change system language. So just tap on change. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Change. And we've got English set. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Remove. And we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.